Hi everyone. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to install GAMuT in our computers. So even though we're not going to be writing any Python code, we still need to have it installed in our machines. And as of the filming of this video, the most recent version of Python that is compatible with GAMuT is Python 3.10.10. So I would recommend first going into the documentation website in the installation section and checking which is the most recent compatible version of Python. And then once you know that piece of information, you can go to python.org and then go to downloads, all releases, and then you're going to find the version that is the most recent compatible version. Then in this case would be 3.10.10. I'm going to go to download, and at the bottom I can find different installer files based on the operating system. So I would of course choose this one because I'm a macOS computer user. I'm not going to go through that process here because I already have it installed, but once you have Python installed in your machine, then what you can do is go back to the installation section, and we need to install these four system-wide libraries. So the process is going to be somewhat different based on your operating system. If you're a macOS user, you have to copy paste this command into the terminal. If you're a Debian-based Linux user, you have to copy these commands into the terminal. If you're a Windows user, however, the process is a little bit more tedious. I don't explain it here because it might be different based on the version of Windows that you have. But please Google how to install each of these four libraries. In my case, or if you're a Mac user, you would just copy paste this here and just hit return. I'm not going to go through this process either because I already have these libraries in my machine. And finally, once you have this installed, once you have Python, and once you have these four libraries, you can go ahead and copy paste this command, which is going to have the pip install GAMuT. Is going to automatically take care of installing GAMuT for us. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it, and this might take a while. So it's already installed. So just to make sure that everything works correctly, we're going to run these two commands. So first I'm going to type GAMuT -- or hyphen version. So I should see the current version of GAMuT that I have installed. This is going to take a little bit of time because it's the first time that I'm using it. So it says GAMuT version 1.1.4. And then I can run a test just to make sure that everything is running smoothly. So I'm going to say GAMuT -- test. So it's running the test. And if I don't see any errors by the end of the process, that means that GAMuT does run correctly in my machine. So let's wait until it's done. Great, and now that I know that GAMuT runs correctly in my machine, the last thing I need to do to start using GAMuT is run GAMuT -- GUI or GUI for the graphical user interface. And so this is going to launch the interface that we're going to be using to create audio mosaics. So if you are able to see this, you're all set. So we should be good to go for the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.